Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to share with you how you can convert PDF to Excel. So friend, in this tutorial I'm going to share with you step-by-step process where you can convert complicated PDF file as Excel. Okay, so first thing first, we are going to open a file. So friend, here you can see that this is very complicated PDF, you can see that, and I want to convert this PDF file as an Excel. Okay, so what I will do first, I'm going to open that software. So first I am going to close this one. So now we are going to convert PDF to Excel. So what we will do, simply click on this convert tab. Here we are going to click on this convert to PDF to Excel. Okay, so we want to convert PDF to Excel. Now we are simply click on it, and now we are going to select that file which we want to convert. Okay, so we simply select this PDF file and then open, and here you will see the convert to Excel option. You simply click on it and it will convert your PDF to Excel. Okay, simply click on this OK button, and here you will see the open button. You simply click on it and open file. So friend, you can see that here we are going to compare things. So this is my PDF file. Okay, and here this is Excel. So friend, you can see that all the amounts and everything, we are going to first compare it. So here we are going to split the screen so we get the perfect idea about it. So friend, this is text part, and here on the top this is text part. Now we are going to move here. Let's see the amount, it is okay or not. So friend, here you can see that these all things are proper mentioned over here. All the amount is good, everything is looking good. Okay, so here we are going to scrolling down, and here you can also see that all the amounts are converted into Excel. Okay, you can edit anything. For example, here we are going to type something, sample text, and friend, you can see that I can type very easily over here. So this is the part, actually this one, actually here I have edited. Okay, like this. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can easily convert PDF to Excel. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things, how to convert PDF to Excel. And friend, this is the paid software. I will mention the link in my description box so you will get the information about it. And this is very nice software for converting Excel to PDF or PDF to Excel. You can do that. Okay, so friend, if you like this video, then like here, comment me below what things you like, and if maybe you have any query question, you can comment me below so I will give the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.